Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your DiDi account. To do so, firstly, go to your DiDi app. Once the app is opened, tap on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. A bar opens up from the left side of your screen. Then tap on Settings on the sixth. Then go to Privacy. Here, you can see the Delete Account option on the bottom. Tap on that. Then, the app asks you to confirm that you want to delete this account. To do so, firstly, tap on the circle to agree to the above statement, which informs you that the deletion of the account will further permanently delete your trip histories. Then, to proceed, tap on Next. After that, the app asks you the reason for deleting your account. If you have a reason, you may tap on one of the reasons above. However, if you don't have a reason, then you may straight up tap on Delete, which is located on the bottom. Lastly, the app again asks you for your confirmation. To proceed, tap on Delete. This is how you can easily delete your DiDi account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.